Hi, welcome. This is a video on how to add and subtract polynomials. This is at the approaching proficient level. So in this problem, the first thing that I would do, make sure that they're in standard form, and I would recopy them in a kind of a vertical format. So I've got 6x cubed minus 5x squared minus 5x plus 7. Just make sure I've copied that down correctly and that it is in standard form. 6x cubed minus 5x squared minus 5x plus 7. Yep. And then I go to the next one, but line them up with those that are like terms. So minus 3x cubed minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x squared plus 17x plus 17x, and then finally minus 12. And now that they're all lined up, those that are like terms, I would encourage you to think about this kind of in terms of like an elevator. This plus 6 means if I go get in an elevator, I go up 6 floors. And then minus 3 means I go down 3 floors. So if I went up 6, I'd be at the 6th floor, assuming I started at 0. And from there I went down 3, minus 3. Then I would end up at the 3rd floor. So this is 3x cubed. Minus 5x squared plus 2x. Same idea. Here I'm at 0 and I go down 5. Minus 5. So I'm at negative 5. And then plus 2. I go up 2. So up 2 plus 2. I'm at negative 3. So this is negative 3x squared. Minus 5x plus 17x. I'm going to go down 5 and then up 17. That means I'm going to end up 12 up. Down 5 and then up 17 means that I end up 12 above where I started at 0. So and then plus 7 and minus 12, up 7 and then down 12. I'm going to end up down minus 5. Keep in mind that the terms have to be the same for them to combine, and that the term doesn't change. So x cubed, x cubed, x cubed, x squared here, x squared here, x squared, x, and then my constants all together, and they remain a constant as well. So this would be my final answer. Okay, when you're subtracting, what you need to remember here is that this is kind of like a negative 1, and so you can distribute that negative here, 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 and here. Each one of the terms would change signs. So let's first copy this. 20 n to the 5th would be my first, because it's n to the 5th. And then the next biggest would be n cubed, so that would be plus 3n cubed. Sometimes, just as a note here, you'll notice there's not an n to the 4th, and there's not in either of them an n to the 4th. And so you sometimes might want to leave a space here, but we're not, because there's not in either term. So 3n cubed plus 4n, and then finally minus 6. Okay, now you can just put these in. Now that I've got these to compare with, I can do them in any order. I'm going to go ahead and do this minus 3. But that minus 3, negative 1 times negative 3 is a positive 3. So this is plus 3. That minus n cubed becomes plus n cubed. Plus n cubed. Remember that that's the same as plus 1n cubed. 2n, that plus 2n becomes minus 2n. Minus 2n. And this plus 18n to the 5th becomes minus 18n to the 5th. Minus 18n to the 5th. And again, just to double check, I want to just look, did I switch all of the signs? This one was positive, over here is negative, good. This one was positive, 2n is negative 2n here. This that was minus n cubed is plus n cubed over here, and this that was minus 3 is plus 3 over here, so that's good. Then I can go through and combine them. So 20n to the fifth minus 18n to the fifth is 2n to the fifth, plus, these are both positive, so that's 4n cubed. Positive, and then I have 4n minus 2n, so that's plus 2n. And then I've got plus a minus 6 and plus 3, and that's then minus 3. And there you go.